Jaya Times Square. Wow. Gee. This shopping mall has a theme park. We just really want to go on the roller coaster, but you have to buy 70 ringgit ticket for all the rides, which isn't bad. It's only $25, but we really just want to go on that roller coaster.
You want to take your camera
Yeah.
on the roller coaster? Very sneaky.
Oh no. This is the scary part. That was just the warm up. It's coming. All right. Okay. No. Okay. No. So that's the Supersonic Odyssey.
That's the biggest roller coaster I've ever been on.
Same. Those screams are the sound of joy. Oh, this is nice. This is so nice compared to the other roller coaster.
No, that's not nice.
Oh, I'm getting squished.
That's not nice. You did that?
No. No. This is so much worse than the roller coaster.
Oh no.
Okay, I've had enough. Let's stop it now. Stop it.
Will this one make it sick?
It's sort of, yeah, we might be okay.
It'll just keep going around.
Yeah. Ah, this is nice. How are you going? Too many circles. This sucks. Oh, that's it. We're done. We're done. Oh.
I would rate that
Ride, Orts Express, sickness level 4 out of 5. Fizzy Fizzy sickness level 5 out of 5.
The other one was
5 out of 5. The roller coaster sickness level, I'd give it 2 out of 5. Let's go on the gentle baby bumpers. Bye bye.